Welcome back to our weekly newsletter on the economy, where we bring you the latest updates on business and economic trends. Today, I will take you on a journey through this week's newsletter. To receive our weekly newsletter and stay informed on the latest economic developments, simply follow our website in the description below. Starting off strong in the fourth quarter of 2023, real household income per capita in the OECD saw a remarkable 0.5% increase, surpassing the 0.2% growth in real GDP per capita. Among OECD countries, the UK emerged as a leader among G7 economies, experiencing a significant 0.5% increase driven by enhanced social benefits. France and the US also saw growth, while Canada faced a decline due to robust population growth. Let's take a look at Bulgaria, where recent surveys reveal a mixed bag of sentiments regarding the country's adoption of the euro. While 47% of Bulgarians expressed skepticism about its economic impact and 39% remain optimistic. Interestingly, there is overwhelming support, with 68% favoring Bulgaria's accession to the Schengen area, highlighting aspirations for closer integration with the EU. And breaking news from the US, first-time claims for unemployment benefits surged unexpectedly, reaching the highest level since August 2023. According to the Labor Department, initial jobless claims rose to over 200,000. And turning our attention to Turkey, where industrial production has witnessed a significant annual increase of 4.3%, showcasing resilience and growth in the country's manufacturing sector. Now let's celebrate the remarkable success story of Uzbekistan's poverty reduction efforts, with poverty rates slashed to 5% by 2022 from a staggering 36% in 2015. Uzbekistan demonstrates the power of rising household incomes and ambitious national targets in tackling inequality and improving livelihoods. And in the world of tech and commerce, Amazon makes headlines with a massive investment over 1.2 billion euros in France, aimed at creating 3,000 permanent jobs. With a focus on expanding cloud infrastructure for AI innovation and enhancing logistics networks, Amazon continues to drive growth and innovation in digital economy. Shifting to consumer trends, the EU witnesses a slowdown in coffee prices inflation, with the annual rate of change dropping to plus 1% in March compared to plus 13.5% in March 2023. And let's explore the steel market outlook for 2024 in the EU, where apparent consumption has seen a significant slump of 9%, while imports now capture a notable 27% market share. And the World Economic Forum explores China's monumental strides in financing green technology innovation, highlighting its substantial investments and innovative financing mechanisms. China's leadership in global supply chain transitions towards sustainability is underscored by commitments from over 800 major companies to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. And initiatives such as the People's Bank of China's special relending facility and collaborations with financial institutions like NY Bank and Societe Generale exemplify the nation's dedication to green finance. And in March of this year, Germany's industrial production experienced a slight downturn, declining by 0.4% compared to the previous month, reflecting minor fluctuations in the country's manufacturing sector. The Asian Development Bank discusses Asia's pivotal role in global semiconductor production, driven by increasing demand for microchips in artificial intelligence applications. Despite challenges posed by competition from the US and Japan, Southeast Asian economies stand to benefit from attracting semiconductor investments. Governments are encouraged to focus on policies that facilitate foreign investment, boost research and development, and invest in skilled labor to sustain semiconductor manufacturing growth. And turning to New Zealand, it reports a 5.2% annual increase in average hourly earnings, reflecting steady growth in wage rates in the country. Slovenian companies saw a significant 10% rise in net profit and indicating positive performance and financial health. With longer lifespans, increasing living costs, and insufficient savings, the traditional retirement age of 65 is becoming unattainable. Investment firm BlackRock suggests aggressive investing and working past 65 for a secure retirement, indicating a potential shift towards 75 as the new retirement age. The IMF discusses how shifting global trade dynamics influenced by factors like pandemic and geopolitical events present both challenges and opportunities for various regions. Strategic policy reforms, infrastructure investments, and diversification of trade profiles are suggested as ways to mitigate challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities in international trade, particularly in the Middle East and Central Asia. In the UK, the unemployment rate has reached its highest level since the summer of last year, standing at 4.3% in March. This figure highlights ongoing challenges in the labor market. Shifting our focus to Portugal, where the consumer price index annual rate of change decreased to 2.2% in April. This decline reflects a moderation in inflationary pressures within the country. And looking ahead, the World Bank forecasts that metal prices will remain elevated in 2024 and 2025 despite concerns over subdued demand. Factors such as supply disruptions and robust industrial investments in China are expected to support prices for certain base metals such as copper and tin. Moving on to industrial production, we see positive growth in the Euro area and the EU. In March, compared with February, seasonally adjusted industrial production increased by 0.6% in the Euro area and by 0.2% in the EU. And now in France, consumer price inflation hit a 2.5-year low in April. The consumer price index posted an annual increase of 2.2% and marking the weakest rate since September 2021. And lastly, in Hungary, the decline in industrial production continues. In March, there was a significant drop of 10.4% compared to the same period last year, indicating ongoing challenges in the country's manufacturing sector. That wraps up our economy newsletter for today. We covered a wide range of topics. Stay informed and tuned in for more economic news in our upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.